In the end, if you do not have this in place, if you do not have a correct view of who you will become in the future, you will not succeed. You will fail. Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the one thing that I see quite a lot of that modern men lack. This isn't going to be wishy-washy. This is going to be bullshit. This is something that you can think about. Go into your own little realm, and I want you to think about this and really put into place what your beliefs are about yourself, your future. What emotions do you have behind those beliefs? Think about that. Go and think about that real hard, because in the end, the only thing that matters is the action you take, the emotions you have behind the beliefs that you have about this one thing. And that one thing, my friend, is your identity. Your identity. Who you think you are. The person you see in the future. Can you imagine this person? This is one thing that I had so much trouble with, because I would visualize and I would use techniques in my meditation to try to manifest the man, try to make him in the future me just come to me. There's a very confusing, deep concept there. And man, it's tough, because when you begin to learn that everything in your life up to this point was your doing, you start to change it a little bit. You start to kind of step back and be like, oh shit, I did all this. Every bad thing in your life was your fault. Every good thing in your life was your fault. You have the power. You have the power. But most men, I think, they try to force their identity. They try to make, if I just do this, then I'll become that. When I have worked out for 2 years and I'm all muscular, then I'll be this guy in the future. When I meditate for 2 years, then I'll be this guy in the future. When I have the money, the cars, okay? You cannot leave your identity up to chance. You cannot. Take the time to sit down in meditation, visualize, become that identity in the future. But the trick, listen, pay fucking attention. When you open your eyes and you are in life, be that person. You have to take the plunge into looking at yourself in the mirror and just saying, I am that guy. I am enough. You have to. There is no easy way to do this. There isn't. There's ways to make it easier by focusing on yourself, your development, working out, eating healthy. Yeah, man. Getting on your jam, doing your shit. That stuff helps. It definitely clears the path and makes things a little bit smoother. But in the end, it all comes down to you looking yourself in the eye, in the mirror, and becoming the person you already are. That's it. That's it. I don't even have to talk to people, man. I can tell exactly what's going on in their life, how they're programmed. It's so easy once you start to learn. And I didn't start to learn because of the content I've consumed, because of the knowledge that I have. No. It was from going through the experiences myself. Becoming honest is the most powerful thing that you can do as a man on your personal development journey. Step the fuck back. Be honest with yourself, and then from there, real knowledge comes into you. Think about this, man. Haven't you gone online and looked at gurus? We are all knowing. We know it all. We just have to open up and allow this information to come to fruition in our consciousness. Very interesting, I thought. When I learned that, changed everything. Fucking game changer. Because then I realized that it's up to me and I have total control of this. I'm not a slave to my circumstance. Nothing is just left up to chance. I can do this. And then looking at myself in the eye in the mirror every morning was so much easier because I had that faith, that hope. That is where you start. And then, man, just watch how your life drastically changes. Your frequency, the energy that you protrude onto the world is immensely different. There you have it, man. I challenge you to try meditating every morning, clearing the energy within, doing the real inner work. If you want some help getting through this process, stepping stones that you can take, go click that link in the description, man, and I will help you on your way. Like the video, man. Share it with somebody who loves this content, who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next one.